Hello traders, this is Rich from TradeSight. This is a look at our proprietary scans of the leading stocks for the U.S. markets. This is going to be for the coming session for Monday, July 29th, 2013. Right now we've got a little bit of a sell-side indication from the signals. A couple of CPS signals, one differential sell signal. Certainly not a very crushing bias by any stretch. We're still seeing earnings leaking out here, so there's definitely some volume bumps here. Got volume bumps in Amazon, some follow-on in Baidu, Entertainment Arts, and also a volume bump in SanDisk. SanDisk is having a very weak day with a downside CPS condition almost 5% below the day's open. Entertainment Arts, just the other way around, 5% plus above the open on good volume. No signal with that one though. Moving to the financial sector, the financials are definitely better to buy, but look at the volume. The volume's almost non-existent. Very late volume, so they kind of shot their bullet already. We do have upside continuations for the most part indicated here, but the volume is so light you have to trade lightly with those for Monday. Energy names, again, mostly light volume. Everything's pretty much under typical volume. BTU might be the one to watch. 2.25% above the day's open with an upside CPS condition. This one's been very volatile as it's trying to resecure the 50 DMA and get back to a more positive posture. Again, moving on to the generals, here is the same condition with the volume, extremely light. We're a little bit biased to the upside, but not a real dominant bias by any stretch. Moving on to the housing names, got some good volume in NVR, trading above typical volume with a downside CPS condition. Lowe's and DHI both have upside continuations. The Lowe's is on very light volume. The DHI is a little better volume. That's a differential buy. As far as the transports, real light volume. One signal here, FDX, is flashing a differential buy signal. And finally, commodities, again, mostly light volume. These are a little bit whippy. Some are up, some are down, but we do have a bias to the buy side here. They did dunk and crush gold intraday, but it mostly recovered. So that's why we're seeing a lot of these different signals here today. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. Have a great weekend, and hope to see you again next week. This has been Rich for TradeSight.